everyone, welcome back to art and craft classes, and in today's video we're going to make a jumping frog. So let's start it. You can see it's very small, it's with the origami sheet, but now here I'm going to use a pastel sheet and we will add this for legs and eyes also too. A compass and a pencil for the base, and here is my pastel green sheet. So you can take any size A4 also. What we're going to do first, if you're using a pastel sheet, we're going to take a measurements first. To cut it in the square manner, I'm folding it like this. Let's see how much big frog we're going to get. And then press it. And make a straight line. And cut this out. This part. If you want to make a smaller one, you can use origami sheet also. So we have a big square sheet like this. Now we're going to start making it. Fold it like this. Make a small square. Open it. You have to fold this corner till here, the center line, and again fold it. You can press it with the fingers also. I'm taking a scissor help to press it. Again you have to make X from left hand side also. You have to fold in the similar way. You will get an X-like shape. Similarly, you can do here also. This corner to here. And your egg shape is ready now from both the sides, above and bottom. Now what we will do, just watch it carefully. I'm going to bend it with the fingers like this and just going to fold it like this. And you will get a triangle shape. Okay, again press it. Similarly here also, see, like this. You can take fingers here in the center, fold it like this, but you have to bring it this part in a triangle way. My sheet is very hard. Okay, again press it. We will get a shape like this. Let's watch the next step. Keep it in this way, and then this corner you have to bring to the top center and fold it. Similarly from another side. Similarly from the bottom one part, you can take both together or one by one also. Now next step, you have to divide it into half like this. Fold it in the half manner, and it will be the legs of the frock. In the half you have to fold, not outside, not inside. Similarly from here also. Okay, now next, turn it over, and from one side I'm going to fold it like this. And this part again you have to bring to the center, make a half triangle. Similarly from the another side also. And it will look like this. Now we're going to fold it first like this, and then half, it was like that, and I've folded it half. Now which part we have folded half, you have to bring it like this very carefully. My sheet is very hard. If you're using a soft paper, it will be easier for you. Like this. You can press it so that it will take its shapes. Fix it here, and now we're going to just paste the eyes and the hands we have already made. So you can cut hands like this, and I'm going to just paste this hands beneath it like this, and the eyes over here. So let's paste them. Now our frog is ready. Now we will going to make its leaf, the background leaf. Okay, what we will do for that, I'm taking a compass, just making a circle. Then a smaller one with that, from that. And then some straight lines with the same center. And then I will outline them with the dark green color. Now I'll use dark green color to outline it. As you can see, I have already outlined it. Now we will cut it. After cutting it, I am just cutting one circle, one column, out, so that it will give a shape of leaf. And now we're going to just make him sit over it. So our frog is ready, and the base is also. You can paste it also over it, above it, or you can just leave it here also. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Take care everyone.